Blessings, blessings, blessings. All the Jamaicans across the diaspora on a day that they call Labor Day in Jamaica. Yes, man, the 23rd of May. It's Labor Day in Jamaica. You know, when you go around and, you give a helping hand, community wise, you help a little old man to fix up your so, you help paint the pedestrian crossing. You do little things and assist, free of cost. You know, yeah, man. So what I go on, people? I wanna do. Bless up the rest of the diaspora. Everybody across the world who tune in to Speak My Mind Entertainment, and all who support me from day one until now. All the new subscribers. I want to say thank you for your continuous support. Gratitude is a must. So we have to give gratitude, alright? So, I don't know what to do. It is so easy. Your boy still not really regain him strength as yet, because you don't know the flu take a little of your energy weak now. At least everybody will have flu supposed to lose at least 1, 2, 3 pound, 5 pound based on how long it stay in your system, because you don't know when you have flu, to eat, you must drink, because you have to put back the fuel in your body. So you don't really eat much. So you kind of lose a pound or 2 or 3. Depends on how fast you lose weight. But the weight is not really my problem. You're kind of weak. So I go through that healing process now. I reach a stage where I just look a fresh cold. Yeah. And just want to get back the strength. So I know so by Saturday, Sunday, I'm up and running again. Them say flu symptoms stay in your body up to 7 to 8 days. So it no matter how you treat it, you can't treat it to get rid of it. Because once you catch the symptom, the virus, it going to stay in you for up to 7 to 8 days. But when you do, you treat it, so it not go over the limit there. So you try to stunt it, get rid of it. You understand? That's what the medical profession says. It's the virus, once it come in you, it stay in you up to 7 to 8 days. So no matter what kind of pill you take, where you take, it is just, for restrict it. But the virus will go in you for 7 to 8 days. But you just treat it so it not go over. So by the time it reaches that time, the virus kind of supposed to fade away out of your system. So I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch it ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, go and support the merge on the website of charmsandtrends.shop. Charmsandtrends.shop. The link pinned in the comment section. Just hit that blue writing in the comment section and you're going to see the website open up. Now just go up on the website and make your order. Any difficulties, you can contact me at 876-221-9789. I will take it from there. Alright? Remember, the more you support the website, the more I can afford to give back. When you notice me stop coming to come telling about Cash App, the Cash App still pinned in the comment section, $, Charms and Trend. But you notice me not advertise Cash App no more. Because you are the people who ask for it and then see it there? Snow mint for you buy, water for you buy. Not to mention, I suppose my last water this month I will get a case because I not go price more till next week. Alright now, Jamaica hot. Plus when you have the flu, you have to fuel back the body. You have to fuel back the body. So when you give me this, I take it and buy water and this, because I never drink. But at the same time, when it come, I have to give it to the needy. Because that's why I decide to take it. But I say, now I work out and I can't come out and make it look like me a beg. No. So, I still have the Cash App there. People still in contact where we know the Cash App, I will send to the Cash App when them have it. Me 18, when them have it, them will call me to who send to the Cash App, we send to it. When them ready, them call me, them say XY Ray, yeah. And some random people will come on board. You understand? But not on a consistent basis. But my commitment is to give back to the two needy person that I have adopted. Right? I want it to be 5, but I take 2 for now. But I might just jot on Raymond for this month, not making him knowing that okay, it's going to be a every month thing for him until I can secure that commitment to make him the 3rd person out of 5. Right? So the more in the shop and the website, I can take something from the profit, something from what I get from YouTube, and even something from my personal business based on how it go. And whichever way it maga it broke. You understand? Because it's not like these people are my families, my friends are nothing like that. You understand? So if I can give $1,000 bag of grocery this month, that's how it is. A $15,000 bag of grocery next month, that's how it is. If it reach a stage you only can give a $5,000 bag of grocery, that's how it is. But the commitment is to make sure them have some grocery at the end of the month. That's my commitment. I'm going to fulfill my commitment one way or the other. But as I say, when you support the merch on the website, the t-shirts, the caps, the tumblers, whatever is on the website, you also contribute. The people that only can't afford to watch the ads can definitely go into them pocket and take out a $10 or $20 and send. You still support, don't feel anywhere less. You understand? You just don't have it to support like that. You have some people, they might can squeeze a $20 or a $30, them still squeeze it. We give thanks seat, we don't give nobody nothing for put on. As I said, somebody send $5 and I cash off. I don't know if I test the person that test me for here, if I go say nothing. But we're grateful for it. If I have 1,000 person sending $5, you just calculate that. Probably that could I use to deal with the 5 person when I want to take on. But that's how it's set up. Just support the channel, continue to watch, like, share, subscribe, watch the videos, which is the ads, you know, and who can support by buying something off of the website, who want to still send something to the cash app. If you don't have a cash app and dash app, you can reach out 876-221-9789 and we'll take it from there. Alright? Anyway, when you see the video yesterday with not Marcia, Tina, and in the video she were also siding with Marcia. Well, this one is now Marcia and she's also siding with Tina. So she come out and cuss one of the Portlander supporters. I don't know who it is, but when them hear the video, they will know say them. I cuss out one of Portlander supporters. She call me name. She call Chin name because it's come like it becomes a norm for her now to call her name now, you know. The dirty one in her car, Nasty 360, the dirty girl latest, Chin, and the one with the ugly picnic. I want to know a pinky that she attack because she class us all different type of ways. Then a name in the midst and all kind of things. So without further ado, we just are getting at the video and start. She start here so by in her car. I talk about wigs and the people them, the blogger them we are this and a call upon. So I could get in a video. Turn down the father upon low instead of me I get so much winning at the background. So
I drew and the kind of little chili. I had a full tank of gas. And now my gas gone down to half a tank, almost quarter tank.
if you have bigger money, just beg your people them money.
Remember say no. And the engine around.
You're on a site, I beg yourself to beg you.
I had a full, almost a full tank of gas. And now it half. So it costs money if it's not that it's raw.
And then now say nothing come to you.
Content. Yes, my dear. Your gas going down. Down. How do I give me no super chat? Yes, my dear. Good night. Members, all of them there. Yes, my
You see how nice it is, you know, your comfort of your own home. Because if you were into your comfort of your own home, you would not feel in your van in a rain, because you claim to say rain a fall, and you have to come out, how will you say, are you a resident where you live? With got your feet, your 15,000 a month resident where you live in. Where you can't in your room and do a live, you have to come out in your van in a rain, time cold, that you have to complain about your van truckling, And the gas go down and down and down. You so good it is to in your comfort of your own home. Watch out. Why? Nobody can come knock my middle door, my side door, my back door, my kitchen door, my bedroom window, my bathroom window, my kitchen window, and say me I make too much noise. Nobody. That is it. When you're in the comfort of your own home. So when you come on your page and boast about your 15,000 a month when nobody can afford like a you a fit the bill. When you want to do a live, you have to come out in a rain to go in your van. And then complain about the expense of your van chuckling out your gas. You understand? You can't live no life over me and nobody. We have that comfort within themselves. So stop coming out here come boast or you're better off than people.
Dear Leo and Carla Rockstar, una dear? Yes, me dear. Right back to the sender. I'm here to tell you, say no. I can tell you cool in the so I was cool to you. Come out. God, the AC, you bad me. Don't turn that AC there. Yes, me dear. Right back to sender. So good night to me love the supporters. Them who come out and support me.
Master, that's the next thing. Watch it. From the remote there. See it? You see? Independence again. The AC gonna have one control for the whole property. So it control from, so if they want to put it on 2 or 2. So if your body temperature weak to number 2 while the rest of people them want it's okay, you can move it from 2 to 1. Because it's not independent. Just like how you is not independent. Look at this now. Bang, you see? 17. Look at this now. Temperature. Bam. 18, 19. Bam, 20. You hear peep? Bam, 21. You hear peep? Alright. I'm going to carry it back down now because the standard is 17. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. Right back down to 17. That's independent. Clap that. Clap that, master. Clap that. That's independent. Imagine you in the house and cool and you can't turn down the AC. Because the AC might not be independently run where you can turn it down. So you say you're not living a life. All they talk about this $15,000 place when you have paid the bill. You're not living a life like a man. We live in a place where if him even rent it, him a pay him rent for even $5,000. Him a pay him rent. Look how cheap the place is at him a pay him rent. Not to mention me we own my own place. Can't take up my remote. See there? 17. See there? 17. Watch you now. I want to lock it off. Watch the 17. Watch the light over there, so master. Bam. Off. That's independence. Clap that. When they can start live them life, they come out and come talk to the people them and live them type of life there. Now come out and come boast about people expense where you live under. You understand? Where you don't have the independency. Just like how you are not independent. You have no independency at these people places that you're living. Under certain condition, you have no independency. And kill a dead, you live life.
Yes, my dear, we play local music there. Right back to sender. And Mr. Minda total.
That me can pay for me house right now and turn up the sound. The surround sound way up. Not even neighbor can say anything.
Drop 2 music. Right back to sender. Una haters, una could always make all kind of video with me. Me now go on the page to listen to it. But when I come by YouTube, I see on the headline. So, let me tell you something. And I mean when I talk. Because there are more than one master camera in the world. You understand?
Oh.
Yes. But I cannot be duplicated and I cannot be eliminated. So let me make it clear. Wanna stay there within a 1,000 view, on a 2, on a 300 view, on a 4,000 view, while I make my 600, my 6,000, and my 12,000, and my this whatever it is. Yes, me dear. So, me don't cater one of us because guess what?
And what's the benefit from your 9,000 or 6,000 views? I tell you already. The friend, if you know the man get 1,000 views or 15 or 2,000 views, gain more than you off a film channel or fair channel. Because I tell you, say it's not the views count. Yes, the views have a lot to do with it. But it combined with the views of the individual that are viewing your video if they give you the support by watching your ads. A man with 2,000 views, 1,500 out of the people, they might give him the privilege where they sit and watch his ads and his videos or on her videos. And like you with your 6,000 views, not even 500 somebody not watch your ads them. So all they have is views, but nothing to show for the views.
Only I make them full of supporter. Come me, they come over on the page. Come listen to what
Oh man, you're too lie, man.
No, me dear, I have better things to do.
And you're coming from people
I
page.
get to try on my nice wigs them.
Yeah, nah, this is how you're coming.
This is the wig, people. Say the wig look nice for me. Look natural. I can't tell if a sister ever bless ear. You see how the wig look nice? Yes, me dear. I love it. Yes, me dear. See, I love the wig for me. Yes, me dear.
We're not surprised, Master. Nice. Everything you buy look good for you. Come on, you buy it and put it on.
Yes, I just
anybody else you buy it before, you not look good.
Come
on, you buy it, it look
good. Out and look like a human. Well, look like a real, like a my real hair. So
and you alone know quality.
I don't have no time to listen to it.
And that be a quantity you wear.
Pretty. And stress free. I make video and say, go give me man. No man is out of town, so you have to keep the bedroom going. Yes, me dear. So you not go get another pussy out the road. Yes, you have to make sure and tell them.
What a sight.
To the owner. You have to remind him, you know.
Well, she said a while ago, our man is out of town, so she have to keep the bedroom going. So basically, she do video and, you know, crutches pick. But what a sight now, me there with all Marcia, I mean, I sitting with Marcia. And me not something with all your Marcia now. For some reason, but I be a dark, me do it in a video. So me don't know how long they look, because me never want to know, because me don't want to turn off. Because me have you as a F chuck. Yes, me just have you as a little F chuck, because probably me not a personal woman now. And me want to make sure me have one little cock cooler. Yes. Yeah, I want to know say me have one little cock cooler, so when time cool or cold, me can get little warm up. So really and truly, me judge how your face look and sit. So me never want to see how down this so look. So me do it in a bare dark. Yes, midnight when I dopey time. Yes. PM midnight after dark. No light can't turn on, cause I dopey time. And go see you send me pic now in my phone, and when me go sound me see that they sitting the kin over so in front of me. Me no must kin over too. How is the Rastafari? When me walk me that the picture there, that the file they come in, whether one video or one photo. And me go and click on it and me swear say one shoes you show say you buy me, because you always mind me and I buy me things. Or one shirt, or one pants, or one watch, or one chain. And when me look, me see big old crutches pick. And when me look, me see this big old watermelon open up and skin over so. Me no must drop down too. Eh? Me must drop down. But keep bedroom busy. When you have to pick and video for show people for keep bedroom busy. At least the type of man them where you choose still, them have to love with them get. Yes. Them have to love with them get, because you are their last resort. Yes, you are their last resort. So whatever you have to offer them, them have to take it. So me understand still.
And let him know, say listen, yes. Oh my dear, me love this how we get. I'm going to buy one more. But I'm going to buy the 12 inches
listen,
one.
Listen,
I want the shorter version. Yes, I want the shorter version.
Pay like yes, to tell on the price of things, you know.
More, but I'm going to get the shorter. I'm going to get the shorter version. Yes, my dear. Yes, I love this wig. Yes. I love this wiggy. Yes. So I will be getting the shorter version, or me get the longer one. Them have one 13 inches one too, you know. Them have a 13 inches one. See your nice and soft, like a for your ear. Yeah, only for your ear could have.
Boy, people right now, me know the
Yes,
guns
me
here
get the
come like a
shorter
fire
version.
underneath, but me can't turn on the AC because it will stuff me.
Nice and puffy
Can't
and
even have the
nice
fan
and
for
stuff.
me. You
It's
have
so
to take the
pretty.
fan off for me.
I mean, no, see a lot of people run go by it. You know? And the thing about it, I'm sharing it, this something. I mean, I get no discount off of it. Me not share no more, me see until me talk to those people, the owner, for the company. Me can't give out information and me not get one discount off of my order. That blood clean.
So, Master, what kind of discount you want after something we already discount? Something we already dey on sale, Master, 50%, 60% off. You still want something after that, Master? The original price is $80 and it come down to $40. Some of them are $30 and you still want something off? For a celebrity like you, so only certain things you follow. You not follow when ladies say, when you go shop me, you not ask about the price. Eh? But every time you go shopping, you already win the shopping. So you know what the price is from day one. And when you win the shopping again, you see the discount. It gone on sale. That's the time you go and buy. So what kind of discount you want? What kind of wig you make a sell now? What kind of guarantee you have that at least 3 somebody go and buy that ear where you have on? That the people them figure you discount. Eh? What guarantee you have or what evidence you have to show these people? Say, okay, I was a self-made ambassador for you and you don't have to give me any money monthly or sponsor me anything. But what I need, you know, I just need to get a proper discount card, you know. So when I shop with you, I have a code that I can put in. So I know that, okay, if it is selling for $50, I can get it for $40. And if it is on sale for $25, I still can get it for $20. Because you have to make the people that know say you like sale thing, you know. Yeah, you like things cheap. So you have to explain all of that. Because me want to know what more you could have want off of the discounted 50% and 60% off. What more you want?
Nah, go work.
If you can't sell your own ticket them to your party or your own sheet, them are people things you can't sell. So that simply mean I be a rubbish you did have a sell. Because if you can't promote your things, them and other people things you can't promote.
Listen to me. You understand? Me want a little county. This, and county or something. No, sir. You can't walk. Me can't find thing. And then people are run go buy it. And then me I get my little discount of it. That can't work.
You're such a good ambassador for others, but you can't be for yourself and your products.
I need, he said, you need Tom the fool. Hi. Yes, hi. What will come man there, we always come from my page? Where them there? What will man supporters them there? We always the brave one them. We come by to tell me say hi and good night. I want to see more man by here, man. I want to see a little bit more man by here. Come on, give me.
She come to the name calling people. No worries, I come up.
By here. Participate.
Different tone of voice you get, you know. Yeah, you're going to get one different tone of voice.
Coming up.
When you start.
Left hurricane to some of the haters house at Jamaica.
Hear this.
Yes, I said so. You know, I have to make a little reference to this. I'm not going to apologize for what I said. Because I was watching one video of this one woman bring it up and said, "Boss,
people out, so you know none."
Back what I said. The other day when time the rapists rape and kill the little girl at Jamaica, the 9-year-old. For years, a lot of people come pass over one girl where don't have nobody. And me not call her name because and them
So you're saying watch people, you know, watch somebody, which we know a lie you tell. But yet still you find yourself over one girl when you have nobody. Make that make sense. You now watch them because you not give them no views and you not give them, but you can't, you know, people comment, you can cuss people on your page where people say on them live where who comment from who not comment. Till now you're going to find yourself on a girl page when you have nobody. But you now watch people.
if you say how me say the man me is like appalling for the man for rape a little pitney and for whatever it is. When a bumble clad people know exactly what I said.
Nobody don't know what you said. Where? Make your statement clear. Make your friend Tina teach you how to make a proper sentence and make a statement and make a headline, because she come out here and cuss people say them can't do it. Them have to pay people to do it. But if we have a business to run and we have a platform that we might not have the time to learn the ins and the outs and the do's and the don'ts about what's supposed to be done, and we can have two admin or an admin we can be paid that we can trust to operate and run certain part of our pages. Why not? We're getting enough salary can pay someone to do it. So if Dana have two admin where she pay for run her channel for her, where she not have no time to do certain things, and she might not know the do's and the don'ts to do certain things, and she can hire somebody that she trusts to pay them to do her job. Is that a problem? Many celebrities out there will have their, you say, a platform and them sit there, them Viva channel and them this and them that, and the entertainers them and all them something there. You think of them sit down and do all these things? They have administration who do that monitoring and management of whatever platform it is. That's what you call celebrity status. So what are you saying? You understand? So when your friend Tina come out here talk, I usually tell that anyway people make a move on to the next stage of this. Listen now, this is a soft voice. You understand? The soft voice part.
On social media, because these are poor, non-emancipated Negroes that don't have no sense. And yes, I'm calling them that because they're behaving like that.
Because your vocabulary is so small that you continue to say and speak of something that you probably don't even know what's the meaning.
Because it's only them the sort of people with them the mental mind. Them no emancipate themselves from mental slavery. So we have to come out and talk about them. And these are persons like Erica the landlord, Ashanti 360 and MPH and them people them, Erica the landlord and them people MPH, latest Chin, GT, the boy is still in the car, the dirty girl with the little ugly baby, and many others. Those are the one I am speaking about, not the majority of the people who not trouble me. Anybody that I speak about is the one who troubling me. I see this woman calling on Erica show this morning or today, and the woman talk out, the woman gone in. She going like she beautiful, and she not beautiful. Bitch, I am beautiful.
You're not. You're not beautiful, Marcia. Even in this video that you are doing right now, one bag of makeup stand up on your face, and 8 still, what you call selfie, we are talking filter. For you find a little filter, you will give your face a little clearness, the hand of the makeup where you depend and give your face a little smooth look. You notice you not left that filter here? You're living in a filter here every day. So, for you to have yourself beautiful, nothing wrong with that. But if you believe in yourself that you are beautiful as how God make you, why every day you would have to having on this filter on your face or using filter overall if you are beautiful? You are beautiful and you're confident in your beauty. Come out naturally. You done already put on this whole heap of makeup and hide the crack them in your face. Cause you have one piece of sitting on your, so when I talk about, you see a dimples on your chin, and you full it up and patch it out like when road maintenance are going and them a patch patrol with the whole heap of makeup. But yet still you still have a filter and you believe in yourself so much and confident in your beauty so much, and you still have to be using filter, man. You're not beautiful, Marcia, man. If you did beautiful, you'd have come out here many days without this whole heap of makeup on your face and just come out here naturally. Your face just wash naturally. And you know, you might put a little moisturizer but no makeup on your face and you just come out here. Well, the wig no problem with that. Because we don't really want to see you that ugly out here. Because without the wig, trust me, you're going to look real unlookable. So we not really gonna tell you no come out here with no week. But you can come out here 3/4 of the days of the week with your natural face with just a little moisturizer on it. But you can't do it. You have to be out here in this whole heap of makeup and still put on a selfie. No selfie, filter. And then this filter that you find, you feel like it make you look so, you know, it make you look like Halle Berry. This filter make you feel like you're one of the prettiest women in the world, like a Halle Berry. So you just live in it like clothes.
Selfie or selfie not. Me beautiful.
Right.
Nice teeth.
Be a filter.
Beautiful lips. Nice cheekbone. Nice
Sweating
quality
on people.
hair. And don't talk
Yeah,
about my
yeah,
nice,
yeah.
gorgeous
I mean, I rub up with nothing today, you know.
personality.
So when I rub up here, I want to put on back
I'm
again.
stress free.
Sweat right back till I'm
Me see you
on.
over there shout up. You feel have blood clot, bomber pussy clot, heart attack. Every minute you call in. Every minute you call in. Somebody are coming behind you, coming out and catching me.
Then again, you see again, Marcia, the independence and the comfort of your own home, your own space. About 3 times in the video, people are past Marcia if you hide the camera because she don't want them catching out. Somebody are come. Me don't want them catching it. You see when me talk about people? And Marcia says she independent and not living in her own comfort zone. How can you be independent over a man who have one little workman where him have 2 sheets of zinc in a one shed build up on the workman where him can call fame when him do as him have a mind? Me can't roll, me can't toss, me can't lick down my bed, me can't lick down my window, me can't do anything. And me not disturb nobody, not even my neighbor. And whether my neighbor get disturbed, I'm have to just hold disturbed. And you are going to say you're better off than me because you live in a facility that facilitate for people who is retired, and because of you are what you call it, a home aid or whatsoever you want to call it, you figure more or less say you are independent more than me because that 15 or 20,000 a month that is paying, it's your pocket it is coming from. So that make you feel so important, and you know you're living life because you can go downstairs at the canteen and get your breakfast and your lunch. What about if hurry to pass tomorrow morning? I don't really think you can get another job so quick and so fast. Because this job you said a linkage make you get that job, yeah. Somebody knows a person know a person will want somebody and them recommend you. And at the time when them recommend you, you didn't even have documentation up to standard. You have to run go do back 1 2 weeks course. You understand? To upgrade back your documents them. Just to catch on to the work. So right now, if sorry to say if Arifi pass right now, you have to go expose the place where you say you have with Ashley's at all on your furniture. Because the people them say when you pay Ashley's, you know, whether wishing you know where you pay for the things you have to take them in Ashley's now keep them for you know. Unless a storage you have to pay. I mean want to know this a furniture place you have your furniture them so long. The last time you tell us say them in the apartment, then you come back tell us say them have it, you tell them say you don't ready for them as yet. Eh? The way you lie. Look how you have to hide camera now because people are pass. Inconvenient yourself. You can't sit and do a live comfortable. And like a outer road there where people are pass are nice and make sure you pass because you don't want to catch you nice night. Or somebody are pass where you know somebody are going to pass. But you just want to do the live out in an open area like that. Who you to? And you say you're better off than people out here. Not care where the person have. Once them in them comfort zone, them better off than you. Because that 15,000 where you boast about every day, not a red cent of that come out of your pocket. You just sit and yam free, sleep free. And this is why you have so much chat. This is why you feel like you're a big deal. Because all that money that you're saving, because you say it, you know, not for would I like to live that life there, but me not really want to live that life there. Me have some youth who me know, where they have a chick or a child, them never buy clothes. Be aware and left clothes them wear. And if you ever give them something new, them sell that. Because them not want nothing new for wear. But through them know the old clothes now can't sell, them wear the old one and sell the new one. Sometimes when I look upon them people, I say, boy, John no star, them youth, they've never chick nor child. Them they've not water bill for pay, light bill for pay, Wi-Fi bill for pay, which is internet bill. Them not have nothing. And most of them hungry money, you know. But what them do with it, you only like know what some of them do with it. Some of them buy all front for them mouth. Because me wonder if me I use my mouth for a woman now if I me I go turn on pay she. Or she have to pay me for my mouth. Me can't pay her for use my mouth for she. But sometimes, put that aside, sometimes the carefree life where them I live, or them just have things free and life easy. Sometimes looking to myself and me I say, Jesus Christ. I'm sorry I couldn't live like them one day. But then again, when you check back and you look, you say, no, a careless life that. Careless life that. Imagine you are living in a world where one year angry money, you know. You might not have a job, but you're a hustler. Where if you call for wash a car, you're ready. If you call for help build a house, you're ready. If you call for go mix some cement, you're ready. So you're a multi-purpose person who gain money on a daily basis, but you have no responsibility. Any man who live right now and woman who live right now, when you have no responsibility, something wrong. Me don't want to live that life there. Every human being supposed to have responsibility. That simply means that show you how independent you is. You not pay water, you not pay light, you not pay internet, you not pick your mind. Every piece of clothes you get and buy it a free clothes you get. And when you get the new one, them you sell them. And when you get the second hand one, them you wear them. What kind of life that? Me don't want to live them the life there. You make $1 today and buy tomorrow you're broke and turn papa. And turn leeches to people. I ate fat last night. Come like your grandmother used to say. Feasting today and famine tomorrow. You know pinch a liquor what you have. You just get carried away because you find yourself with $150,000, $30,000, $40,000. You don't know when you're going to work another $30,000, $40,000. But what? You just gal it out. Gamble it out, drink it out, smoke it out, dance it, party it out. And tomorrow you turn pest to one man. And you didn't have 30,000, 40,000 last night. So sometimes, when me look at it and say, I don't want to live like them, I say, no, dirty life that. Well, I must say that. Dirty life, Marcia live and feel like she live good life. Because Marcia living free of cost. So because she have no expense, all those money she can't take those money because she not have no rent to pay, she not have no mortgage to pay, she not have no light bill to pay, she not have no water rate to pay, she not have no internet bill to pay. More than whatever system or phone depend, she might have to pay that. So all those money, when you sum up those money, she not have a monthly bill to pay. So she can't able to jump every week and go to store go buy the things them for half price and sale price. And then make it look like she has somebody where can afford to. But the real reason why she can afford to, because she is living a dirty, filthy life. Because she has no other responsibilities. The man who have the responsibility of paying his mortgage, paying rent, light bill, water rate, you know, have to stock his house with food and stuff like that, his internet bill, him can't probably do that. Not saying can't do it, but him have to think wise of doing stuff like that. Because at the same time, if you have to save something for that day when they would call her in the day. Well, Marcia don't have them thinking there. But she need to have it because she don't know when that day going to come, when all this what she have at her disposal will no longer there. And it don't have to happen when Harry pass. It can't happen even when Harry is still alive. One simple mistake she can't make. And remember now the people, they're calling on you, Marcia. They're calling on you, Marcia. They want to see the back of you, Marcia. Just like how you out here want to see the back of many. In this video here, you say, storm time a come. And you don't mind it blow down some of the people in the house of Jamaica. This is not the first that said this. Like a people make you not own no way. So when people want to see the back of you, nobody not supposed to feel no way when people come out here, come talk about you and say the worst about you and want the worst to happen to you, because you always wishing the worst of people, and when you can't get at them and you feel like so what you say about the individual, it's not hurt enough, you go as far and go and bring them parents, them kids, or even them business into it, them property. So anything you get, if you just take it out here and who not like it and want to sympathize with them, hug you up and push them tongue down your throat and stop you from cry out like it's a soul that them I give you, and keep them tapas lock. And don't come out here, come go at them and come at whosoever say what them say. And when you did say what you say, them never come at you and tell you nothing, because they are afraid of you to come at you and said to you, say, okay man, say that never look good, because they know exactly what is going to happen. So them play the hypocrite. They don't tell you when you are wrong because they are afraid to come at you and say when you are wrong. But as soon as somebody hit back at you, there's there in your comment section cheering your hand to make you feel like, okay, because guess what, they are a hypocrite, and at the same time they are playing them, using you as a clown, just as how we are using you as a clown. Because when them come and cheer you on for what I said, Portlander say, 360 say, Chin say, or whosoever say, them cheer you on because them want you come out here, come clown out yourself. So them both play hypocrite where you is concerned and sit and watch you clowning out yourself by, you know, trying to throw you the fuel in the fire for you continue to blaze and expose yourself.
Every minute you call in, and it don't make no sense. Me and Tina don't lick crutch. Stop calling me name.
Swear for yourself, not swear for Tina. Whole heap of that she live. You know, your matter and tell you. Oh. You know, you're the whole of them boys tell them about her. She be the whole of them.
You have, to me, you sound like small.
I know the crack she lick.
You barely
She
can
lick all on a fest school part there too. So I know the crack she lick and she lick lollipop too.
You over there talking
so you don't swear for Tina. A whole heap of licking Tina go on with. Whole heap.
What do you mean say we don't have nothing? Oh, she's on the Ozempic. And then the Ozempic, they're not good at Ozempic.
Dance all mouth and tongue and massive.
Have Ozempic and them have to take it off of the market because the girl them a suck down. The girl them a suck down because they're not eating.
So you are eat?
The man a suck down because you're not eating.
The whole heap of junk for you eat and eat that.
Based on what I heard you saying. You're a sick.
Thank God for the canteen where you're there.
You need some Ozempic for yourself.
Because the best where you eat for the day, that's where you get
need
it.
For yourself.
Everything where you go road, go buy a beer junk. Beer junk.
None of your business.
The best way you eat at the time where you get to the canteen where you
can't afford it. From the ear of your sound, you use a ugly.
Watch her hide again. Watch her hide again.
From the way you sound, use a ugly, rotten teeth one. Go and take your false teeth and put in some Polident.
So whenever you tell Tina I teeth them rotten.
False teeth them need cleaning.
Yeah, big up Tina, but you're not tell her fair teeth them rotten.
England look like it, so they can't stay all the way America and smell your thinking out. Go and
you're in America, you're not smell your friend Tina one. And she come so close to you, more than one occasion.
For your fake teeth.
You can't smell a woman mouth of England, and Tina will come against with some rotten teeth in a fair mouth. So much bad cavity, white tongue, like the white line in a road. You don't smell fair road, but you smell woman when I
So me I say to myself, say, then I hold them up people come on social media, worrying about people's life. You're there all the way over England. What make you go down to Buckingham Palace, go take your tongue and go clean Buckingham Palace out the door and people walk up and down. Go down to Buckingham Palace and go take your blood clot
the same thing. Why you don't go to the White House to do your duty same way?
Emancipated blood clot Negro woman. That's what England used to do now. Back in the days, England, when they used to take people from Africa, this when I feed them food, them all dash it on the ground and feed them. That is where you need to go. The time that they are fast, not for me and Tina business. Go and take your tongue and go down Buckingham Palace, go clean the blood clot floor with your tongue, because you don't want to be emancipated.
So when you're over
You
here
want
fight,
to be
I don't
segregated
watch
from
out
your own
people
people.
busy enough. What do the
Coming
same
on
thing down at the
social
White
media, come
House?
talking about people who are living better than you. Me now ask you, me Marcia Campbell, I live better than all of you people who are speaking about me. Not only that, you're broke, no blood clot. You're
Rich
broke.
gal Marcia, talk to the broke ass niggers.
You don't have dry shit in your ass, so you can't come on social media and tell me say we don't have nothing. We are out here living and make yourself happy. Abe, at least we are star out here. Tina Chin and I are on social media the longest. As in the woman, then we are going about them business right
And
now.
achieve
We are the
nothing in
original.
a life. You achieve nothing from social media, and you achieve nothing from your personal life and business.
So guess what?
Shame on you.
Back on me.
Both of you achieve nothing from social media, nothing from the personal life or business. But every day you come out here.
Privacy. You understand?
You're sharing
So
your
let
own
me tell you
home.
something. You have to watch me.
You should have in your own home.
And my video, bitch, I play over there, and Tina video, every day, That means the person who not obsessed with me and Tina Chin, especially me, who not obsessed with me, for somebody who don't like me. I'm so poor, I don't have nothing. You shouldn't be listening to me. Because I say bird of a feather flock together. You don't have no co-ops. You're talking about looks. Selfie and a selfie that I looks and a looks not. You cannot look like me. Because right now, me know if me see your lip. Your lip look like when cow pussy spoil. Me not ask you how underneath you smell like a rigotta and dumpster.
Right you and Tina are really bird of a feather flock together. Since the Tina have fair face and nose and mouth and Dana arms. Now you have your mouth, nose and sitting on the woman crotch.
Pussy Erica page, that's where you belong. Don't know. Pussy Erica, that's
I love
exactly
pushing
where
them
I belong.
out and face on a
The
place.
problem is this. Where y'all listen to me for. She finna carry me. She finna carry Dana live. Why she carried me and Tina Chin live for? What makes she don't go carry Dana live? I don't understand you people. Why she don't carry Dana live? Why is my live alone and Tina Chin live she have to carry? If you not over there cause people for Dana. Look how you behave over woman, then not even make Dana in your life. Well, if you're so obsessed with Dana, why don't you go Orlando or Florida, which part you live, and go take our dirty drawers and wash and scrub it with your teeth and suck out our dirty poop or shit out of it, the drawers which you have on. And don't talk about me. You can't talk about good Marcia. You can't talk about stress-free Marcia. Right now you must see that in England you can't even buy one croissant. You can't even buy one sterling draw.
I can't wait for the day. As I said, Harry now if you pass you lose this job. But I just can't wait for the day when you no longer have this job. Because this job make you feel like you are somebody and you're not nobody. Yeah man, this job make you feel like you are somebody because this job yeah, make you even careless, worthless more than how you is. So because of that you feel like too you have no expense more than probably the little old van where you have, say you pay insurance and a little phone where you might have to pay for monthly. Make you feel like, you know, you're on top of the world. Because you live free, no rent, no light bill, no water rate. You don't have to buy food because you can go right to the canteen and get breakfast, lunch and dinner. And that now, with you getting a pay bill, a weekly salary as card into you, you have so much opportunity to squander that money because you're a squander right now, and that's why you find yourself homeless at one point because you never did a save towards the future. because you feel like every day is going to be the same. Your Vibes Cartel tell you every day can't be the same. Every day won't be the same. You understand? Every day won't be the same. But you never know that. I exclaim to say God help you and put you back on your foot and make you can't do this. Me yeah say what do you see jail what? Birthday, and you send him a money and him tell you say he want more money than that, and you end up have to send him $650 because him is now 26. Like you actually say you were planning on sending him $600. No, you should send him $2,600 because you have it like that. Send him the same amount of money when age is. But she never wanted to give him it one time because she knows that by the time his birthday come, I want more again. So she was planning on sending him like 2 times. But she end up having to give him 6, and you're so pick the stay. You're so pick the stay though, lad. But you know, I glad, you know, one time gone I couldn't afford to give him so much money. You know, so I glad I am blessed, you know, that I could afford to give him $650 and it don't shake me, it don't jerk me. But no worry. You will be going back to that stage soon. Because you know learn. And you do all what you do just because you want to prove a point to social media and the people out here. When you don't need to prove no point to nobody, because whether you do good or you do bad, I don't know about nobody else, but it don't worry me. It don't worry me. But we know most people want to see you do bad because of your behavior. Your attitude what you have out here. The bragging rights what you have because you live a free life. You depend on free, and the free mentality what you have, you depend on everything free. So it make you have an attitude, make you feel like say, oh, you have it over people. When most of these people have a lot of responsibility that they have to meet, whether weekly, monthly, fortnightly, while you got none. And that's why you can't even come out here and say you're living a stress-free life. But how long you going to live this stress-free life for? You're going to wait till you have to end up in the Marriott or can't even find Marriott money? Make we see how long you can live this stress-free life for.
Where store near Spencer? Store. You can't even go to buy one down at the Spencer store and go buy one brassiere and panty. You don't make no sense. I am here to tell you which is over there. And you non-emancipated, poor-ass, blood-clad nigger people over there.
Yes,
I'm talking about the one we are calling on the page them and the dirty, stinking, so-called bloggers them. We are talking about me. Go get a life. Me important, very important.
You need more than a life, Marcy. You need a whole body.
I never catch on cargo page.
All this, what is Shabra about?
Video. You know who Cargo is, a big artist.
So, Cargo will last off of the radar for much years and try to put himself back on the radar by getting some of the old artists them where also last off of the radar and try to use his social media page to get a little more recognition. Boom, him find a little song where I get little rotation. All of a sudden Cargo a big artist. So you never know say Cargo a big artist before now. But Cargo take your picture and post it or whatsoever. Could you too? Then I've meet bigger celebrities than Cargo. Who is Cargo to some of the celebrities that Dana has meet? Eh? Answer the question now. Who is Cargo to some of these celebrity that Cargo has Dana has meet? Tell you say all you're doing is run into the artist them. And cause that's all you can do. You can't run into no real celebrity. Because you hardly get the opportunity to run into real celebrities. So through the artists them have to present at shows and you know, and you might liable to go to the show, you make sure you put yourself in a position like how you there run down Capitan Wadi and the security them easy off. And you almost cry because I'm a favorite artist and I want a picture with him. That's all you do. Because you want bragging rights. But what you get from it? What you really get from it. Just bragging rights to come and say, you know, say Cargo post me on him page. You know, say Cargo this. You know, say me take picture with this and you post it on your page and come. Oh, you can't talk to Capitan. You can't talk to Spragga Benz. The things that you look into to make you happy has no substance. The things that you look into to make you feel like you're a celebrity and you're big because you rub shoulders with certain people has no substance. These celebrity, you are fans of them. So if the opportunity arises that they can give you a selfie, they will give it to you. Just like how anybody else would get it. If they are present and the time is right. You wasn't the only person get a picture from a celebrity at any given time you see them. More than one people could get picture during the period of time. So why you think you are special? You're not. You're on the same level as anybody where that celebrity at the present moment where he decided to interact with people who he would have suspect or she would have suspect is a fan of hers or a fan of him. You're nobody special. So don't make it look like you're special or feel like you're special. Talk about things of substance. Did Cargo reach out to you? No. Somewhere, somehow must you reach out to Cargo somewhere or something. I don't even know what you really are talking about. But knowing you and the records that you have out there, you like to see these entertainers and run into them at the airport. And that's why you didn't get tricked the last time when you see the man in the cricketer bag, you know. And so you saw him name, so you know, you take up your phone. And call your baby father, you know the cricketer name XYZ, and him say, yeah man, wait, and you run in one selfie, and when you hear say, it's just one of the man merged the cricketer, that person did have. Because the cricketer did have him merge out there. You run, go put up the man on page and talk how you meet cricketer and real when you hear say, I know him the cricketer what you think. You take it down back. That's all you do, run into people as seek validation.
Yes, Cargo new song. Cargo put up my video on him page. Jamaica big reggae artist. I may make one little 1 minute tune and he put it on him page with me dancing. Did Dana reach up there? Nope. Did you reach?
So, I have to go look on Cargo page. So basically she did play a Cargo song and a dance. Then Cargo now look promotion. Cargo look promotion, you know, for this song, you know. And that's a new thing nowadays where a song drop a road, any little soundtrack of the song people use, do anything, the artist use it and put it on him page because I want to show you say him song again traction out a road. So if even a madman downtown hear the song a play and a man video it and the man a dance to the song and a go on, Cargo can put it up on him page too. So it's not like you're special woman. Did Cargo reach out to you after him post it? No. And that me I say to you, if even a madman downtown a dance to Cargo song and a man video it and post it and Cargo see it, I'm going to put it on him page. Because I'm going to try to show you say all madman a dance to the song the way the song bad. So you're not, the things that make you feel like you're special over, you know, me don't know. You're sick. You need help.
Up there? No.
You need help, man.
Can you look like me? No. And the person that talk about how me take me I buy a wig. You can't afford it. A $300 wig this.
Oh! I say we come tell about $80 for week and forgot to tell you say I feel you buy it for $40. And when we look at $23 for the wig. Well, people, bless up on yourself. Come to the end of another video with your liar self about $300 wig. You buy a wig for $300. The last day you say you buy one for $250. You say you're not buying any more wig there, so you will go and buy a little synthetic wig them. So how you know I come and talk about your $300 wig and you buy 3 more and then I come here. Go ahead with the liar self. You come here, why do you come tell us the wig I did for $80, but you get it on sale for $40, $46. Then you come back and tell us say a full price, you see the wig and a full price you end up with that to buy it for. Like you forgot say they tell us say did I sell for $80, you buy it for $46. And at the end of the day the people them find the wig for $23. All of these come out here, come hike up the price of things where you buy. Like you take off the idiot out because you want to look like you have money and you spend quality money. And we know say I be a sale you buy things, man. Speak my mind, people, bless up on yourself and thanks for watching. Happy Labor Day again. You know, to the Jamaicans. I don't know if Labor Day fall on this day in any other country or any other country celebrate a day like that. I don't know they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, click the thumbs up and like the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support my backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And please remember to run over to the website of Charms and Trends and purchase one of my t-shirts, one of my caps, one of my tumblers. Anything you see over there, you can get it customized to your liking. The 30 ounce, 40 ounce stainless steel tumblers, real stainless steel, not the one you left for water night tomorrow. You look and see it rusty. Quality. Keep your beverage cool as long as possible for the whole day. Not to mention it also keep hot things too. So it is for hot and cold. Check it out. Anything you see, customize. The good reason to shop with Charms and Trends. You get quality goods, affordable price, and you can get the opportunity to customize whatever you want. Whatever color. Suppose you see the buckle in another color here. And you see one next buckle in another color here. But the shape of the buckle here, you don't want it. You want the shape of the buckle, but you want it with that color here. That's what Charms and Trends are for. We give you what you want. Customize your goods the way you want it. You can get your picture on the buckle, your name, a Psalms, whatever you want. We do it customized. We have bracelet, real quality rhinestone. Not like a fake nothing. We strip off in a couple of days. We have down to open a customized phone cases, cocoa melon buckles, water buckles for you gym goers. You name it, just check out the website of Charms and Trends. When you shop with me, I use a part of my profit to give back to my 2 adopted elders at the end of the month. And the more you shop, is the more privilege you give to me to reach the 5 person that I really want to adopt. The more you shop with me, the more you support the channel. Watch the ads. Bless upon yourself. Sometime next week when we see the give back of my 2 adopted person, and I might just, as I said, I might just bring Raymond on board this month, because probably I can reach out to him, because I'm really sorry I never put him at first, you know, because me and Raymond really, I come from far, trust me, and me know him situation and stuff, so I'm sorry I never think of him at the time when me think of the 2 elder. Him did in the 5, you know, but me never think of him to use as the 2 when me go for immediately. But this month I want to try to make him make the 3rd person, but he's not going to be a must every month until I can afford to. So me not gonna make him know say him depend on the system. When it can reach him, it reach him. When it can't reach him, it reach him. When my people them feel like them want to reach out and them reach out, so be the case. But when me know me can angle for myself, the 2 person. If I 10,000 this week, 8,000, 5,000, I saw it go. My commitment, me make it and me feel it. Me never say, yeah, I go get XYZ amount of grocery every month. Me just tell you, say, a month in time, I will be giving you some grocery. So based on how me can give it, I will give it. The thing is, you will get some grocery. It's not the cost of the amount of grocery. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.